Contact. Well, you're doing an absolute supreme job, man. Wonderful stability in the QSO. And the legibility on the audio quality is superb. I do want to say the 7300 is a fine working transceiver, and you're doing a wonderful job with it. 016. This is World Radio 5180, and I'm going to go ahead and turn you loose. I'll be QRT and listening on your final.
Roger, 5180. Good talking with you. Nice hearing you out there.
QDX, World Radio 306, Virginia, stand by.
We'll be clear with 5180 and on the side.
Thank you for the contact. The other station calling, this is Oklahoma acknowledging. Go ahead, sir.
CQDX. How about out there, GX-Land? This is the unit 577. The 577 out here in Dayton, Ohio. Call us CQ.
577, Dayton, Ohio. We're going to acknowledge you with the 57 signal. 577, 5757 push into eastern Oklahoma. This is Operator Justin, World Radio 5180, acknowledge.
Next move, I got it out there, Justin.
Hey, check. 73, have a great evening.
Coming up in
306, operator right here in Virginia, stand by. Going the other way,
Lima, 577, Roger.
AQSL 577, we do appreciate the acknowledgement. My name's Justin, Juliet Uniform, Sierra Tango, India, November. Working the SDR transceiver 120 miles east of Tulsa, Oklahoma. Thank you for the contact, sir, and have a wonderful day.
Hey, you take care down there, Justin. Sounded great there. Enjoy your radio. I do mine. 577 Bill up there, Dayton, Ohio. Stand by.
Contact, sir. Have a good one in Dayton, Ohio. Beautiful signal.
Roger. You take care out there in Illinois. World Radio 306, Virginia, operator right here. We're standing by.
Hello, 306 with a good sounding audio. 306 Ray, World Radio 5180, just acknowledging, moving on by.
World Radio, but I didn't get the number, calling for 306. Go ahead.
Hello, 306 5180, just waving a hand as I move right by. Hello to you, 306 World Radio 5180, just waving hello to you. Have a great day.
All right, 5180, I did call you at that time. 873 is great sound audio you got there too. World Radio 306 here, Virginia, operator Ray. I'll be standing by.
Hey, okay, Ray. Thank you, sir. Have a good day, sir. Good audio, great fidelity. Anybody else on the band? World Radio 5180, QSX. I am World Radio 5180 out of eastern Oklahoma. I hope everybody's having a great day as we made it to the weekend. World Radio 5180, Justin. One more day, and we'll be there. So, having a little bit of issue running live because when I get in here live, I'm getting a little too far from my service. And it causes my signal to get staticky. And so for now, I'm just going to go back to doing this. And I got to upgrade my Wi-Fi, get it better. I live way, way out in the middle of nowhere, guys. So our service ain't the best. And I try to do live. And when I run very much power, it can affect the signal, needless to say. So it is what it is. I hope y'all having a great day.